Hello everyone. Now, you may have noticed the last video on this project ended rather abruptly. Reason being, around the time we finished painting the cab, I had to throw this truck back together because it needed to be borrowed. Now the painter who gets stuff done around here, he has several jobs, and one of them is cleaning up front yards and hauling away garbage. And he got a job doing so on this property that was really overgrown and had plants growing over the sidewalk, and the city was complaining they had to do something about it. So he was doing that, and to do so he wanted to borrow this truck. Now you may be wondering, what practical reason is there to borrow an antique like this instead of using a more modern vehicle? Well, there's a few reasons. First of all, compared to a modern pickup truck, this is a lot narrower. Also, the top and the windshield fold down for better roof clearance and greater visibility. And all that makes this a lot easier to park on narrow, crowded streets, which is where this house was on. Another thing is, it's really light. This probably weighs less than a ton, which makes it easy to drive over obstacles like curbs, and you can park it on loose dirt and it won't sink in. And one side effect of this is it made it really entertaining to watch. So I went with him a few days to film it, and here's what I got. We can't see it from here, but there's a house back there somewhere. There's a few posts that need to be removed. The first one, he removed the old-fashioned way, by digging it out with a pick and a shovel. Now this took all day and a lot of work, so we figured out a different way. Okay, it's still a lot of work, but that did help a lot. We're probably not allowed to drive on the sidewalk. The good news is, no one's going to look at these tire tracks and think they were made by a car. Now that job is far from over, so we're probably not going to see this truck again for a while. Now if it bothers anyone that we're using a 100-year-old antique to haul garbage and tear out fence posts, well, first of all, in spite of all that, we're not abusing this truck anywhere near as hard as some of the previous owners did. Second, we're using this for what it was originally intended for. And third, in exchange for borrowing this, he's making a few upgrades and improvements. Like, I don't know if you can see it from here, but the left front fender has been straightened and repainted, and he's working on the right front right now, which is why it's in bare metal. So the next time you see this truck, it'll be in noticeably better condition. Anyway, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this entertaining, and we'll see you next time.